This is the weekly outlook of Nifty and Bank Nifty. As you already know, that every week I discuss about the possibilities of the movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I manifest the same thing and give you the levels in advance so that you can trade it easily. Hi, this is your host Yogesh Vats from channel Trade and Grow. This is the channel where you can get the daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty along with the stock in different packages. If you want to join my membership, what you will get the daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty with the support and resistance levels. And if you want to get more information about this is your membership button where you can get the complete information. Whatever the packages I am providing, you can get it. Here I would like to announce good news for those who have taken super duper platinum membership. For them, I have started a support service where those who have taken the super duper platinum membership, they can ask me on Telegram channel regarding their any query of that day trade. Whatever the trade is going on that day, if they are stuck somewhere and they are confused, they are not able to understand the market movement, they can get support on the Telegram channel and they can write their query, give response to that query. So this support I will give only to the super duper platinum membership from Monday onwards. Now if you want to join my membership, this is a join button where you can get the membership link and you can join any of my packages. This is all about the membership which I provide to all my members. Now let us discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty last week. Whatever I said in my statement I showed you on the graph, on the chart, that I'll discuss first so that you can remember the last week's statement. After that, I will show you the current move so that you can compare my statement with the current move and would be able to know how and why this move happened. So listen first about that statement which I gave regarding Bank Nifty last week. So here is your statement. Please listen it carefully.
Next week outlook, you check I made only two ranges, first range and second range. Let me erase this also so that there should not be confusion of labeling also. These are the two levels. It means when I provide these levels, it means what I expect that price would move in this range. This is the weekly range. If this range is broken, how it can be broken? It can be broken like this. If it is broken to downside, then price should come down and should test it. Then it should move downside. It is called the taken out condition in my analysis. What I am talking about the taken out condition, the action should be like this. It should come down, test it, and when it comes down, it is called taken out. It means the direction is clear towards downside now. But in the in last week example, you saw that price took support at this level. Even in any condition, if the level is crossed, it resumed to upside. That is why the price could not go to downside. You will never find this sort of action in my analysis when it crosses it and if it comes up and then it comes down. No, what will happen? My analysis is very much clear. When it crosses it, then it would take resistance like this. It would not cross it. After crossing it, if it comes down, it means fake. It means fake information. You will not find this sort of fake information in my markings. It would be clear information. Every time I show you the clear information. Similarly, for the upside, if price breaches this range, it does not mean that it will go upside. it will go only upside when it will test like this. This is the taken out action. This is the taken out action to downside, taken out action to upside. So you will have to watch this sort of action to go in that direction. Until unless you find this sort of direction, you should not go in that direction. You should see if price comes to this range, it means price will not go downside. It will take, if it takes supports, it will move up. This is simple analysis. This sort of thing you have to manage in your trading, watching my levels. So this is
In this video clip, you heard that I gave these two levels. Whatever the levels I provided, you can check red color lines level and check the reading of red color lines. Same, nothing is fabricated. Everything is same as I gave you last week. So just check. This is the weekly chart because this is the weekly outlook. That is why I'm using the weekly chart. And if you see this candle, weekly candle, you will find that price took exactly support at the same level which I provided last week. See, the matter is very, very important to discuss. Why that matter is important to discuss? Because why in the whole week, can you imagine, price can do anything, anytime, at any moment. But the whole week, 5 days week, price came to that level exactly at that level which I marked. Why price did not go down, and why price could not go upside? It remained here, though it opened at this point, and after that what happened? The whole week the price remained downside and price came to this level. Why did not price break it? Because the marking which I provide every week, that has the depth. I have been proving the same depth for last 2 years. Old followers know the accuracy of my levels and they trade accordingly. New viewers who are watching it first time, they should see it and check previous videos. You will find the same accuracy in all marking. I provided this marking 1 week ago, and check the price action here. The price ended exactly at that point. See, I made only two ranges, one and second. Why did not I make the third range, fourth range? No, because I have that sort of skill where I can imagine the move of the market to upside and downside and what ranges they will make. This is the weekly analysis, and I prove every day in daily analysis also. Those in my Telegram channel, whatever the marking I provide 1 day advance, that marking I give in Telegram channel also. They also see the same thing. Okay, now this is about the Bank Nifty, because the price could not cross it. That is why there is no question of taken out to downside or no question of taken out to upside. Therefore, I will not discuss about that because the price could not go in that scenario. Now let us discuss about the Bank Nifty. Whatever I said in Nifty and what were the levels which I provided last week, you also watch that clip so that you can be aware of same levels which I gave last week.
Let me erase the levels so that there should not be any confusion for the next week also. So here is the range, the outlook of next week of Nifty. This is the range where price would hover and move like this. This would be the range. Now in this range, if any times the price takes out, what action? The taken out action. If the price takes out this action to the upside, then the price would move up. Otherwise, you will not see the price moving to upside until unless this sort of action is seen. Similarly, for the downside, if this sort of action is seen, then you can go to the downside. Otherwise, the price will stall here and it would move to upside. For both sides, you will have to apply this condition for that direction. In between, how will you trade? If the price comes to this level and comes back in the same range, then you will not immediately go to short side. You will have to watch that action, the testing action. When this is tested, then you can go to the short side. Similarly for the upside, okay, when the price comes to this level and moves upside, then you have to find timing here for upside direction. That timing, how to time the trade, that I have already discussed in my previous videos. You can watch these videos and get the education regarding these aspects. This is how the next week will perform. You will have to watch this, otherwise price will move in this range. You have to find your trades in the range and then you can trade. But
as you heard and saw the two ranges, this is the upper range and this is the zone, the lower end. Okay, now check, the readings are same as you saw last week, both are same, and see the price action. This is the weekly candle. Check, you can see the rejection of price from that level. If you see, the price got rejected and came down. Why I put the range point at this point? Why did not I put the range point at this point? Why did not I put the range at this point, the high of this point, even above the high of this point? Why did not I put? I just put the level at this point, and you can see the magic of that level. Price rejected from that level. There are various levels on the chart, but I select only those levels which are bound to perform, which are bound to give the reactions. That is why I select only those levels, and these levels are flawless. I have been proving for last 2 years. So this is the accuracy which I share with you every week. If you follow this accuracy, you will definitely would be able to make money with the timing videos, because I provide levels outlook here, but the timing comes with the real move of the market. When the real formation of the market is going on, at that time timing comes. If you know these level and you would able to create timing on these level, then definitely you will win. One aspect, one side I am sharing with you, that is the outlook, that is the levels. But the second side, timing, that you will have to learn from my videos. Every week I provide the videos on the timing, how to use this marking, the support resistance level, which I provide in daily analysis and weekly analysis and stocks also. On that I provide weekly videos how to use my marking and what are the concepts which you should look into your trading. So if you watch these videos carefully and you implement the same stuff in your trading, you will definitely be able to get money from the markets. Let us discuss about this, because in Bank Nifty the range was not breached, not rejected by the candle. Here the candle broke it to the upside and then the rejection came. That's why this action is really good to discuss with you in detail. In Bank Nifty there was not such an action. That is why I did not discuss anything in Bank Nifty. Now let us see it in the lower time frame, because you have to trade on the lower time frame. You cannot trade on the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly outlook, but you will have to convert it in the 1 hour time frame. So how will you use these levels on the 1 hour time frame? Let us go to the 1 hour time frame so that you can see the price action regarding this marking. The very first candle of the week got the rejection, and after that what happened? The market came down. The whole week the market came down. Okay, that was the clear information on the very first candle of the week, 1 hour candle, which gave you the clear information. It's a very big rejection, and when that sort of rejection came from my levels, whenever I give any level and that sort of rejection comes from my level, it means 80% chances fall. Only 20% chances would be when price would consolidate here and would move upside. That is only 20% chances. Otherwise, 80% chances when this sort of rejection comes from my level, you can see the price moving in that direction, and same is happened here. So this was the information you got from the very first candle of the week, and after that, if you had that sort of information, you can go short, short, short and short, keeping the stop loss of this candle. This was the trade. Had you applied a little common sense with the synchronization of my levels and the price action, you would have got that information towards downside, because this rejection is a story which tells everything about the movement of the future. You would have to use my marking like this, as I explained here. This is the way you should go with the marking. And now come to the future analysis. Future analysis means the next week outlook, how the next week will go, and what are the marking levels which I provided for the next week. Let us discuss about that. So for this, let me take you to the Bank Nifty first, and you can see there are 4 levels, but I am going to erase the previous level so that you should not get any confusion regarding these levels. So let me erase it first. Here are 2 ranges of next week. These are now clear visible to you. White color ranges are for the next week, red color were last week. So this is the lower end. What you have to see here, what I feel, I strongly feel that if the price breaks this level, it means nobody should stay with the long positional longs. If anybody is carrying positional long for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, then this is the point. Those who play the swing trades, for them, this is the point. If it is breached, it means it is the alert for the long side traders who have been carrying their position for last 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. They should clear their position. What will happen if they do not clear their position? What can happen? It may possible if the price breaks it, and it would consolidate here for some time, it will test it and can go down. So this can happen if price breaches this level. Okay, if price breaches this level and on the same candle it recovers, then there is no need to exit from your longs. But if the price on the same candle breaches it and the candle closes below this level, it is a clear indication that you should exit from your position rather than to wait this taken out condition. Because if it is not going to move downside, then what will happen? Price would consolidate here for some time and might come upside. When it comes upside, you can again go for the long positions. But for the safety purpose, if it crosses first time and closes below this level, exit from the positional longs. Now let us discuss about this scene. If price closes, breaches it and again recovers after some time and comes into that range, then what will happen? It will move, it will consolidate like this and would move upside. So this would be a false breakout. On the other hand, if price breaks it and does not go upside crossing this level, it can go upside, but it should not cross this level. That what I mean is in this information is that So if it does not cross this level and test it, then the chances are price is going to is going to fall more. That would be the chance, that would be the high probability trades towards the downside. When you get this sort of information, uh, short the market, keeping the stop loss of this high for next week. Or on the other side, if it is moving upside like this and breaches this level and takes the support of this level, then it is going to move upside. Simple. And it may also happen that if it breaches this level, it comes down in the same territory, then it would not move upside. But what will happen in that case? In that case, if price moves upside and comes into the same range, then it would consolidate here and would move down like this. So that price action, I am talking about the price action because I do not follow any indicator or volume analysis, many analysis regarding the movement of the price. I only consider the price action which I am depicting you here. So you have to follow this information for the next week. Let us discuss about the Nifty. What would happen in Nifty and what is my outlook in Nifty? Let us see the weekly analysis, weekly chart, and here is your weekly chart. So here is the complete range of next week. This is a zone. You can watch this zone of Nifty. You can check the readings and can put on your charts and see the price action around them and find your trades by the intraday setups or positional setups around these levels, whatever the level I marked. This is only one zone and this is the halt of the lower band. So again, same, you have to see same thing. If price comes to this level, then it should cross it and it should take resistance of this level, then it should come down. That is called taken out condition. When this sort of action you get, only then you go for down side trades. Otherwise, please do not go. On the second condition, if it comes at this level and consolidate here, then there is no chances to go down. It will consolidate here and would move upside. This is the second scenario. Now for the upside, same. If price goes to this level, it should take out this zone to upside with testing this action. I always talk about this sort of action. When you find this sort of action, then you go long. In this leg, you should not go long because this can be a false signal coming down and trapping you here and then come down. So I never tell anybody to go just with this information to upside. Let it be test here and it should move up. Then this is your entry point and this is your stop loss point. Then you go upside. Never ever go with this information to go upside when it is crossing it, because if it crosses it, it can come down and trap you here like this. Always follow this sort of price action with my marking, because this price action is perfectly suitable on my marking. If you find any other sort of marking here like this, so what will happen? The price will not give you like this. If this is also a support, if you keep this support and you apply the taken out condition, then what is the information you're getting? Coming down, going up, coming down. So that sort of whipsaws, I call that sort of whipsaws, you will not find in my marking, because these marking are beyond this whipsaws. These are very powerful marking and very reactive markings, whether I cover it on the weekly analysis or on the daily analysis. So that's all about the next week. I will meet you with the new information next week. Till then, goodbye.